Pasta and broccoli, here in Vince's kitchen. Hey, so Vincent.
What?
Today's a special episode, right?
Yeah.
It's like we're on my channel, we're on your channel.
Yeah.
So talk to me about your channel. What's been going on?
Well, my channel is basically, so far I did like 3 videos with my friend.
Very cool.
Jace from Jace's World.
Right.
And I've done like a few movies. I did one of my book characters movies.
Awesome.
And then just like a Minecraft Lego movie.
Very cool.
Also, I unboxed a Yoda Lego set. So that's so far on my channel.
So today, what are we doing?
We're gonna be making broccoli pasta, which is my favorite dish.
Right? That's total comfort food from when I was growing up. So your Nona, my mother, made this dish when I was growing up. So this is definitely going down through, the family tree, so to speak.
Yep.
Right? Pretty amazing, I think. And I'm really happy that you're here doing this with me.
Me too.
Awesome. So Vincent, today we're doing broccoli pasta or pasta and broccoli. So we're gonna be boiling up some broccoli.
Then we're gonna chop up the garlic. We're gonna boil some spaghetti, and we're gonna plop in the cheese.
Absolutely, pecorino romano cheese. I love pecorino romano cheese. It's like the best. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. Looking forward to it. All right, so here it is. We got we're gonna get into this thing. So we've got the water boiling, and all I'm gonna do is just put in the broccoli, and we're gonna blanch that for about 10 minutes. You don't need to get too much into it, right? Just get all that broccoli in there, and we'll put this aside. I'll sprinkle in a little bit of salt. Right? Just to kind of get that going. Let's right there. There you go. Just mix that up. Okay. Real super easy. We'll put the lid back on, get that back up to a boil for about 10 minutes, right? Then what we'll do to prep the garlic, because we're gonna end up frying this a little bit with all the seasoning. So we'll go ahead and throw some olive oil in there. And be generous with the olive oil, right? Because we're gonna save some of the water, because sometimes what happens is pasta may end up being a little bit dry. So we're definitely gonna season it. So right here we got a few basil leaves, right? Just to add some flavor to the oil.
Yep.
Right? Now, I have got, because garlic is my favorite, right? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna
All of that.
7 cloves of garlic, right? Go ahead and turn the flame on to low.
He doesn't know how to do that.
Don't worry, it's all good. Right? We'll go ahead and kick the flame on to low.
Just swallowing it.
No, we're just gonna go super low. Just to get
Not
all of
even
those
fine.
flavors. All we're doing is we're just kind of inducing the garlic flavor, and we're gonna induce the basil flavor, and then we're gonna throw in some crushed red pepper, right? All we're doing is just infusing that flavor into the olive oil, right?
Good.
That's it. Real simple. Once the broccoli is actually boiled up, then we'll transfer the broccoli over to the garlic and our little infusion going on, and then we'll boil the pasta up in there. Right? Okay, so we've turned up the heat on the garlic, so it's sizzling now. So then now this is the point that's really important, that we don't burn it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the broccoli, which is nice and tender, like I said, roughly about 10 minutes on the clock. The oil's infused with all the garlic, the basil, the bell peppers, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop that in there and get that going, right? So make sure we get the water out, and we'll try to get all of the broccoli and out of pot, right? Easy peasy, right?
Lemon
Nothing to
squeezy.
it, right? So we'll put this off to the side real quick. We'll go ahead, like I said, we've turned up the heat, but what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and mix this broccoli. Ooh, you okay? Did I get any, did I get hot? Here, wipe it on my leg. Wipe it on my leg. Go ahead, wipe it. You good? You're okay? All right. So we're gonna get that.
Kind of sizzled on
Right?
my leg.
So now all of that gorgeous garlic, you know, the hot peppers, the basil, the salt, right? It's all there, right? So we'll just let that cook at a low simmer. So yeah, that's almost perfect. Let's go ahead and lower that heat a little bit. There you go. And we'll just let that do its thing, right? Now, we're gonna go ahead and crank up the heat on the, there you go, you're on point. There you go. Right? Go ahead and pop open that other box. Perfect. Look at that. Money.
Do you want me to just like yoink it in there?
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't want you to get burned, so let me kind of handle this. Right? Just like that. We'll dump the pasta in there, and then we'll go ahead and set the timer for 12 minutes. But I just want to make sure that we break that up. We're going to add a little bit more salt. So now what's going to happen is that since we're using the same water that we boiled the
broccoli,
right, the broccoli in, right? The pasta will pick up the flavor of the broccoli.
So it tastes like broccoli pasta.
Broccoli pasta, exactly. So we'll go ahead and put 12 minutes on the timer, right? So, now once again, I'm kind of learning, so bear with me for just a second. So let's see if we got a timer. We got a timer, and then we got 12. And I'm hoping that if I hit start, that'll give me 12 minutes. Bam, bam.
Bang, boing, boing.
Boom, baby. That's it. So now all we got to do is wait 12 minutes. We'll strain it, and we'll stir the broccoli to make sure that it picks up and doesn't burn. Right. And that's it. So the next step at this point in time
it's just to wait.
is all about, well, yeah, obviously we're waiting, but then we'll be serving it up. Right?
And the taste testers will come.
That's it. We gotta have those taste testers, right? And who's our guest taste testers today?
My two sisters,
And who are they?
Ruby and Nina.
There you go. Boom, boom. So, all right, timer's gone off. We're good. We're at the end, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cancel everything. I'm gonna grab the pot. Can you do me a favor and turn the flame off? No, this one.
Left to right?
There you go. I
Left.
believe it's left. Yeah. No, it's the second one right there. There you go.
So
You
left
got-
or right?
Just turn it. Just figure out where it's gonna go. There you go. Perfect. Your money. So we're gonna conserve a little bit of water, and then we're gonna strain the rest of this. Right?
Steamy goodness.
Right? Look at that amazing pasta. Look how amazing that is. All right, don't get too close, right? You're gonna fog up your glasses, kiddo.
Smells
All
good.
right? It does, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pasta, make sure that it's absolutely strained.
I can see it coming out of the bottom, and it's
Right?
good. It's good. Good.
Yeah, I think so. You're absolutely right. I'm gonna pour that back into the pot. All right? All right, so there you go. Timer off. All right, so we're gonna take all of this yummy, scrumptious goodness,
Stuff.
and we're just gonna go ahead and just layer in a
Pour
little bit
it
of
in there.
right? Just a spoonful
Pour it
of
in
it.
there.
All, no, not the whole thing, because we want to top off the pasta. So we're gonna get that in there, and we're gonna mix, and just throw it all in there, right?
Yep.
Get that going. All right.
To me, it looks like we need
So
like
now-
a little scoop.
Let's go ahead and kick this off.
So it's not literally.
We're gonna go ahead and
Grab a
take
plate.
this plate, right?
Put that in
Right.
there.
Get a serving on that plate, maybe a little bit more. Right?
Mhm.
Let's take some of the broccoli from there, right?
Top that off.
Top that off, right? Now, here's where the magic happens. Now, this is all magical. But we're gonna take it up to the next level with my favorite cheese. Do you remember what my favorite
No,
cheese
'cause
is?
it's way too long.
What do you mean, way too long? Right? Let's go ahead and grate that on there. And then we'll have our guest taste testers check it out. So let me go ahead and spoon this up one more time. Get that going. All right. So who are our guest taste testers today?
One, Ruby.
Come over here. Right?
Yep. Ruby and Nina.
And who are they?
They are my two sisters.
Right? So that would make them my two nieces, right? So let's go ahead and grate this on there. And almost looks perfect. All right, so we're here. Here are our test testers. We got Nina, Ruby, Vincent. Let's make it happen. Tell me what you think. What do you mean it's so hard?
Good.
Yeah, I got a thumbs up over here. That's awesome. Right on.
Thumbs up.
Right on.
Thumbs
Score. Touchdown. Outstanding job, my little brother. Hey, come over here. What are you doing? Right on. Cool. Thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it.